Hey, it's Andrew. So I want to show you my new speakers that I got for my computer setup. That's these right here. They're the PreSonus Eris E3.5 speakers. I decided to pursue getting a computer speaker after I realized my monitor just didn't have good speakers built in. I really wanted something better for music, gaming, videos, and the like. I went on kind of Amazon and searched on YouTube, and what I found was I was looking for something affordable, ballpark about $100 or so, and I narrowed it down to these, which are the PreSonus Eris E3.5s, as well as the Mackie CR3s. They've got a lot of good capability they have essentially similar features, but what ultimately pushed me towards getting the PreSonus Eris was side-by-side comparison of audio being played through the PreSonus as well as the Mackie CR3s. And what I found was if I closed my eyes and listened to the side-by-side comparison, consistently I found that I liked the Eris more. The Mackie CR3s I found to be a little bit too flat and too much bass, and so I just didn't like it, and the PreSonus Eris seemed to have a crisper, better tone to it. And so that's why I got them. I purchased them through Amazon. These are the ones that don't have Bluetooth capability. There is a recent model that now has Bluetooth built in. I played with the idea of getting that, but it's a little bit more expensive, and after thinking about it I found that I probably wouldn't use the Bluetooth because the speakers are going to be hooked up to my computer, and if I want to connect my phone or anything like that, I really could just connect it with the front audio in port. But if you're somebody that wants to either use your laptop kind of disconnected or use your phone to play the music, the Bluetooth capability might be a really good option. I just don't need it because I have speakers, I think they're the Dayton Audio B652s in the other room that are connected to my record player. And I've had those for 7 years, but I wouldn't replace them anytime soon. So these really are just going to stay in my office connected to my desk. So that's why I ended up getting them. So in this video what I'm going to do is just open these up. I'm going to just show you what's in it, and then we'll hook them up eventually and then show you what it sounds like. But it should be pretty straightforward. I'm not an expert at this, but I want to just kind of show you everything. So this is the box. You've been sitting at staring at it. Essentially it's just a standard box. It's got a bunch of information on it. I'm not going to go through it, to be honest, because the speakers will show everything, but we'll just open this up. So immediately on top there's an instruction manual or registration information. There's also pads, speaker pads or isolation pads that stick to the bottom. So that's that. And then if you look inside, it's essentially styrofoam. And then each of the speakers is connected or protected essentially. So what we'll do is we'll pull these out. This is one, and this is the other. And then there's an accessory kit, more styrofoam, and then that's it in the box. So I'll put that over there. Put the speakers here. Okay. And then we'll look at what's in this. So essentially this bag just comes with your standard audio cable, red and black cable. Also comes with an audio in standard aux cable, as well as looks like your other type of cable. This is a splitter, it looks like. So those are those. Then there's power cable. Okay, actually I remember the Mackie CR3s, the power cable is connected to the speaker. That was a drawback of them, which is also what pushed me towards this. So if the speaker ever had issues with the power cable, you're kind of out of luck. So here's the speaker. We'll take it out of the packaging. This is one of them. This is the other. So this is the one without the additional like input. But that's kind of what it looks like. Alright. And then this is the one with everything connected to it. I'll get rid of the box for you. Essentially on the front, what you got is the volume control, okay? You got an auxiliary cable that's in for speakers, and then you got the power on and off switch. Pretty straightforward. I think the Bluetooth model, there's a Bluetooth button right here too, so you can pair doing that. But that doesn't have this feature, okay? And then on the back, you've got your standard audio cables that'll connect to the other speaker. You got the audio cable line input, as well as I think these are I can't read upside down, sorry. The balance cables as well, and then you can tune the speaker using this. So, and then the power outlet's right here. So that's pretty much everything. Nothing too special, but really it's just how the speaker plays. They're crisp, they're wood, they're solid, nothing's wrong with them. So what I'll do is I'll get these hooked up and then we'll see how they play. So essentially everything's hooked up, the audio cable is connected to the other cable, and then this audio in cable I connected to the back to my computer. I'm just gonna play something through GarageBand just because I don't want to do any copyright infringement, but it's all hooked up and I'll just play a couple things. I've never actually used GarageBand, so bear with me. I don't even know how this works. I literally downloaded it just for So, I mean, the speakers work, they sound pretty good. The volume control's right here, so you can go up and down with that. But this is maxed out. So, there you have it. I'll get them set up on my computer desk and we'll go from there. But that's really the gist for everything. Let me know if you have any questions.